A new Texas law aims to define when doctors can perform emergency medical intervention during pregnancy. That's Senate Bill 31, also known as Life of the Mother Act.
Another new law, Senate Bill 33, prohibits local governments from funding out-of-state health care travel or related services for abortions. Governor Abbott signed both into law last week.
Well, 6 News reporter Juliana Jackson is live now in the studio and spoke with staff at a Bell County maternity shelter about the challenges that they're seeing on the ground.
Bailey and Lindsay, at Our Lady of the Angels maternity shelters, staff say they've seen a surge in calls from pregnant women and mothers facing homelessness and crisis situations. Staff says when new laws are passed, clients worry about how policies will affect their access to government programs. They're working to meet a growing demand while navigating changing legal requirements.
When a new law comes out, it can be very confusing on how that affects them in general. So I think, wanting to know the specifics around it is important, but also just wanting to know, is this going to make my food stamps go down? Is this going to make it harder for me to access health care? Is this going to make my housing, wait longer?
The shelter provides services from basic needs like housing and food to parenting classes and educational support. Coming up at 6, we will hear from some of the women at the shelter and their experiences, while also breaking down what these new laws mean.